Hey, good morning. To get the course checklist you can do this in two different places. One is from the course, or the second is from the email, and they'll both take you to the same place. So if you clicked on this link where it says you will make a copy of the master course checklist, when you click on that link, it'll take you to a page that looks like this. This is a Google Doc. Up in the top right-hand corner, you click the words Use Template. And when you use that template, it will take a couple seconds and it will make a copy of this for you that is now your own personal copy of this checklist. So that template now becomes your own Google document. From here, you'll just modify the different places that are in gray and answer the questions, and you can type over top of these questions. You're going to share this also with edtech@kentisd.org, which is up on the top. You click share, because currently it's just private to you, and you'll type edtech@kentisd.org. When you're completely done with the modules that you want to take, if you go all the way down to the very bottom, you're going to click this course completion form where you will take the link that you have right up here, you'll paste it into this form. In addition, if you were at the Remote Instruction Bootcamp course, in this section where it says, how does this work? You will also see that same link, make a copy of this checklist right here. It'll take you to that same page where you will use that template. In addition, there are some other instructions that are down here when you're done with all your modules, and maybe a short video also for the directions. If you have any other questions, please let us know.